Hi guys, what's on my iPhone 5S? Wait lang, i-post mo.
So this one is iPhone 5X.
Yeah.
So, I like this one. Talking time. The emoji. Go.
And I have a one case, two case, but
Oh,
I
Paris. I like
Yeah.
this one. Paris.
yeah, I'm gonna try that. I don't try that.
Good. Oh, it's super flat.
So flat, it's nice. Hindi pa nila tinatanggal yung screw. And I'm gonna try it here. Oh my god, it's nice! Oh my god! And
So have a extras. Have it.
let's see the extras.
Just the extras is contacts and calculator and voice memos, camera 360, Chrome, Find iPhone, NBI2K138, Google Skype, Talking Time, Facebook, BBM, Viber, and Gmail, Messenger, Instagram, Hardesking, Dumb Way to Die, YouTube, and emoji, and messages, calendar, photos, camera, weather, clock, maps, note, reminders, stuff, game, center, newsstand, iTunes Store, and Apple Store, Facebook, compass, settings, and videos. And that's all things of my iPhone 5S. Oh, how to change the case.
So it's so hard. It's not like
Jelly?
yeah.
This is not a jelly. So you better buy a jelly case because it might destroy your iPhone, right?
Yeah, because the jelly.
It's more rubber.
Yeah, because it's so very dirty. And that's my iPhone 5S. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.